Isang Nathan Tanging araw sa inyong lahat mga Nathan Tangi. Sagutin natin itong tanong na ito. Sir Nathan, please help me po. Dapat pa ba fluent in English? For me, partly yes, partly no. Partly no dahil hindi naman kailangan magaling ka talaga as long as marunong ka mag-communicate with the colleagues, parents, and students, pwedeng-pwede na. As the days and years go by, matututo din naman po tayo. Our adaptability as Filipino teachers is commendable naman, so nothing to worry. On the other hand, yes, being able to speak English fluently is very important, especially when teaching students whose primary language is English. Somehow, it leads to a successful teaching and building strong relationship with the school community. Ang pinakamahalaga ay ang makapag-convey ka ng mga information clearly and accurately. It contributes to the total learning experience of the students, di ba? Kaya ako naniniwala na kayang-kaya mo. Dahil mahusay ka, Nathan Tangi ka.